Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome to a brand new series on the AIT called The Best of Best, where I'll be reviewing the best gadgets in the market across various segments. In today's video, we will be reviewing the best wireless headphones currently available. The first true headphones, as we know it now, were designed by an engineer called Nathan Baldwin on his kitchen table. As much as people ignored his invention, the US Navy understood the importance of his invention and bought hundreds of them. These were primarily used for defense purposes. A decade or two later, in 1937, Beyerdynamic invented the first headphones designed for personal listening. Until then, the use of headphones was limited to armed forces only. Since then, headphones have come a long way, undergoing variations in design and technology. We now have headphones that are truly wireless, have listening battery life of more than 30 hours, and high fidelity audio. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin. Headphones primarily come in two form factors: overhead headphones and in-ear headphones, otherwise known as earphones. The best wireless overhead headphones available in the market for its price point is without doubt the Sony WH-1000XM4. Except for its really long and complicated naming scheme, the Sony XM4 wireless noise cancellation headphones tick all the boxes. Sony's latest flagship headphones XM4 are the best noise cancelling headphones you can buy. By keeping the sound great to satisfy music lovers and adding some extra features for the techies, Sony manages to keep its nose just in front of Bose, Bore & Wilkins, and Beats by Dr. Dre. Let's talk about its design, build, and technology first. At first glance, the design of XM4s look fantastic with the copper accents. The plastic in the headbands make the new pair look slightly less premium than some of its competitors, but that also contributes to a lighter pair of headsets than the rest. Combined with a new, thicker and softer cushion, it feels that there is almost no weight resting on top of your head. With wider ear cups that surround the ear, these are one of the most comfortable pair of on-ears available. There are primarily two color options available: slate black and platinum silver. The Sony XM4 has a dual noise sensor technology featuring two microphones on each ear cup that captures ambient noise and passes the data to the HD noise cancelling processor QN1. Using a new algorithm, the QN1 chip then applies noise cancelling processing in real time to a range of acoustic environments. Working together with a new Bluetooth audio chip, it senses and adjusts to the music and noise signals as well as acoustic characteristics between the driver unit and the ears at over 700 times per second. This enables the Sony XM4 to be the best noise cancelling headphones in the market. A proprietary audio coding developed by Sony, LDAC, transmits approximately 3 times more data than the conventional Bluetooth audio, allowing you to enjoy high-resolution audio content in exceptional quality, as close as possible to that of dedicated wired connection. Powerful 40mm drivers with liquid crystal polymer diaphragms make the headphones perfect for handling heavy beats and can reproduce a full range of frequency up to 40 kHz. In terms of features, Sony has touch panels on gestures on its ear cups. The control scheme are simple to operate. Single tap for play or pause, swipe left to skip the track, swipe right to play the previous track, swipe up or down to increase or decrease the volume, double tap to answer or end the call, and tap and hold to open voice assistant. All you need to know that each gesture operates smoothly. The XM4 smart controls don't stop here. Sony also has a proximity sensor built into one of its ear cups, which enables on-ear detection to either play or pause to play back every time you remove your headphones. The quick attention feature does the same whenever you place your hand over the right ear cup, while the speak to chat feature uses the built-in mics and advanced signal processing to recognize your voice and pause the music when you speak. All three work incredibly well with very little latency present. Sony's precise voice pickup technology makes its presence felt immediately when turning on the digital assistant. The combination of 5 mics with advanced audio signal processing creates a clearer pathway for the XM4 to recognize voice commands. Speaker recognition is impeccable with the mics picking up every syllable. Verbal inquiries were registered quickly and responded to even faster. It's cool that Sony programmed the headphones with Alexa and Google Assistant integration, but you can also use them with Siri. Sony has one of the best companion app called the Headphones Connect app that unlocks many features on your headphones and gives you the complete control over your headphones. One can customize the gesture controls to produce alternative results. You can manage simultaneous connection and switch between multiple devices right from Sony's app without having to mess around with the Bluetooth settings on whatever secondary device you're using. Sony's Headphone Connect app also has the usual equalizer options along with adaptive sound control, which automatically adjusts the levels of noise cancellation and ambient sound based on your activity or location. Battery life stays at 30 hours with noise cancellation on and 38 hours without noise cancellation. It uses a Type-C port to charge the headphones, and a 10-minute charge can get you 5 hours of playtime. The only downside to these amazing headphones is its price, which starts at $349, but that is the price one has to pay for cutting-edge technology. All these features and technologies makes XM4 the most sought after wireless noise cancellation headphones in the market. Moving on to the second form factor, earphones or earbuds. Once again, in the truly wireless earphone segment, Sony shines with its WF-100 XM3 earbuds. The XM3's name confusingly bears an M3 or a Mark III, even though these are only Sony's second edition in the specific line of true wireless earbuds. The new buds come in a slick black and copper charging case with a flat top embossed with the Sony logo. The USB-C powered case is substantially sized but still can fit in most pockets, and flat top allows you to easily lay it on top of surfaces when you got the buds in. The cap flips out to reveal two earbuds inside, and a big red LED in front of the case lets you see if they are charging. Aesthetically, the buds are made to look well with copper and black accents. The noise-cancelling earbuds are ergonomically designed to make contact with 3 different points of your ear for a secure, comfortable fit. They remain comfortable even after hours of usage to ensure an ideal fit. Sony also has included a host of earbuds, both silicon and foam types. The earbuds use Q1E chip to perform noise cancellation. Having caught the ambient sound, the dedicated HD noise cancelling processor Q1E gets to work. It not only cancels significantly more noises across all frequencies, but also uses very less power. The multi-talented Q1E combines both noise cancelling, 24-bit audio signal, and digital to audio conversion for a headphone amplifier. The result? Stunning sound with minimal distortion. A tiny yet powerful 6mm driver unit sit inside headphones to deliver rich, clear, and expansive sound. These superb little music makers miraculously conjure a wide expansive sound stage with a believable spatial detail. There are very few wireless earbuds that compete with the Sony XM3s in terms of features. For starters, the headphones boast solid 8 hours of battery life per charge with noise cancellation off. The case has plenty of juice, offering 3 full charges for 18 hours of backup battery if you're using the headphones with noise cancellation on, and 24 hours with it off. There's also a quick charge feature that will get you 90 minutes of playback with just 10 minutes of charge. Great for those who are forgetful about charging during commutes and short flights. A glossy touchpad on each bud's exterior allows you to play and pause music, access your voice assistant, and change songs. Sony has also packed in other nifty features, including the ability to long touch the left earbud to allow the user to listen to the outside world. It's handy while you're trying to hear announcements or make a quick drink order on a plane. Each earbud can also be used separately on calls or for music, and the earphones and the noise cancellation works wonders for call clarity with sound quality similar to that of many dedicated Bluetooth headsets. These earbuds pair with the same Sony Connect app to unlock some great features like ambient sound control, adaptive sound control, 360-degree reality audio, etc. These headphones do have some downside though. For starters, these are not waterproof, which might be a bummer for some of the gym enthusiasts out there. Also, these earbuds can transmit audio to only one device at a time, so if you have multiple devices and want to use the earbuds, you'll need to manually connect to the other device and disconnect from the primary device. Finally, these earbuds are not cheap and cost at around $250, although you can find some good deals online if you shop around. So, that was the first video of the series, Best of Best. Stay tuned for the next video, and if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Another Indian Techie. Until then, this is AIT signing off. Take care, goodbye, namaste.